this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this fun easel card using the Cheerful Daisies bundle. Here is a fun easel card using the Cheerful Daisies bundle. Here is the bundle. It's part of the Fresh as a Daisy suite, which includes these embellishments and the Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper that has all of the new in colors in it. So I started with a 4 1/4 by 11 card base, and I scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. And I'm just going to fold on this score line. And I'm going to add this 4 by 5 1/4 piece of DSP to the inside. I'm just adding some texture to the Designer Series paper by stamping this bunch of flowers. I'm stamping off first to get a lighter color, and I'm just gonna make a pattern on the DSP. I'm going to stamp the flowers. I'm going to do the outline of the flower full strength. And then I'm going to stamp off the ink. And then this will line up. And there we have our first flower. Now I'm just going to add the flowers to the card with dimensionals. I'm just going to add some of these blue gems. So pretty. So we'll do one down here, and then we'll take a medium one. And the small one. And that is my Cheerful Daisies easel card.